This is service operations. Service operations is okay. Service operation is to make sure that IT services are delivered effectively and efficiently. So what is the main aim of service operation is make sure that the customer got a product or not, delivered or not. Okay. And effectively and efficiently means make sure that properly and correct and easy way or good way. So then is getting or not. This include fulfilling user request, resolving service failures, fixing problems, as well as carry out routine operational tasks. Okay, meaning is like a user. Already I told, so right? My internet is not working. I ask my person like my internet guys, internet is not working. Okay, so he said like now just wait five minutes. After that one internet is coming, so he will put a message. Internet is working or not. Okay, internet is working on. Make sure that internet is working. Okay, so that is what it is about a service operations. So not only a user complaining, also once it is solved, make sure that it is working. So that is also very important in the service operations. So we are all in the service operations, guys. Services, non-services, whatever it is, we are in the maintenance. Okay, service operations. We don't create anything, just we are try to maintain first starting as a fresher. So is a maintenance is very important. Maintenance, troubleshooting, monitoring, these things are a very important as a fresher. What's your the role or what are the name of your job it is? Okay, these are the very important. This include fulfilling user request, resolving service failure, fixing problems, okay, as well as carry out routine operational tasks. Routine operational tasks. Okay, this is include fulfilling user request, resolving service failures, fixing problems, as well as carry out routine tasks. Carry out routine task means day to day or maybe monthly or 3 months or 6 months. Okay, the service is there like AMC, annual maintenance contacts, first service, second service, like they will check it the how systems are working, how their devices are working, how service is there, compulsory verify. So then lesser the problems you will get in future. The purpose of service operation is to coordinate and carry out activities and process required to deliver and manage at a agreed level to business and user and customer. Here it is a certain definitions we use in service operations. So first one is event. First one is event. Event means any detectable occurrence that significance for the IT infrastructure management. What is an event? Any detectable occurrence. Any detectable occurrence. What is any detectable occurrence? Is like I connect a pen drive. Oh, it's a big theory. Oh, no. I will tell only plainly. I will explain after this one. Okay. Just I will tell the definitions only. And next one, I will explain one by one. Okay. So event is any detectable occurrence. Guys, very simple to understand event is like you done a Paytm. After you scan the code, you put a scanning the code, enter the amount, pay. So after that one, it will come payment successful, payment failure, payment pending. Okay. So what is that one? It is an event. Successful event. Failure, failed event. Okay. So warning. So in insufficient balance. So there is warning. It's not failure, not success. Insufficient balance. It's a warning is about to fail. If you don't add money and send, it will be fail. Right? So like that. So same thing goes to the system. Like you have a server down. Event is failed event. That is error. Warning. Server is very busy. Server disk is full. Disk full. Or server busy. RAM is completely 90% RAM is used. CPU 80-90% is CPU is used. There is warning. RAM is damaged. RAM failure. CPU down means error. CPU running successfully. CPU means system running successfully. You inserted a disk is online now. Information, so that is also event only. So anything good or bad, whatever it is happens, it is an event. Understand the event. So I will explain the examples and all. Okay. So once I will complete the statements. Okay. Next one is alert. Alert. A warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure is occurred. A warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure is occurred. What is same thing is event type only. In event, good or bad, everything is going on. Its alert is simply say a notification. Alert is very simply say a notification type. Disk is full. Disk is full. Server is down. Disk is full. Server is down. Disk is failure. Transaction failure. Immediately red notice. Transaction failure. Okay. Okay. So bill payment is pending. Bill payment is failed. That's succeeded. Okay. Immediately it will throw the message, error message. Okay. So like that. Application unable to load. So that is an event. Application is unable to load. So application loading is failure. Why it is failure? It's alert. Okay, alert. It is like a notification. Alert is a notification. You received a mail. Mail not sent. Two things are red color alerts. Red color alerts. Exactly. Say notification with a red color. What is red color or yellow color? Yellow means warning. Red color means danger, error. Blue color means information. It's okay. You see or not see, no problem. Message sent successfully. No problem. Sent or not sent, we don't mind. Not sent. Unable to send. Insufficient balance. This is a alerts. Immediately, a alert will immediately have to go and respond to the alerts. Okay. From events only it is there. Next, service request. Okay. Actually, I put a service request last, but it is no problem. Service request. What is service request? Yeah, last time when I getting very slow internet speed. So I asked my internet guys, so increase my speed. Like I will pay extra money. So for mine is now 50 Mbps. Give me 100 Mbps internet speed. I will pay you extra money. Like I said, you need another router. You need another router, then only I will put it. Okay. It is a service request. Like you need a VPN access. You are working from home. You need a VPN access. You need some mail access or a password. You forget a password, you want to change the password. That is all comes under service request. You request for a service, a request for information. For example, currently mine is 50 Mbps internet. I want to upgrade it to 100 Mbps. Okay, I want to upgrade it to 100 Mbps. How much for a upgradation? How much for a upgradation? How much for 1 month? How much for 3 months? How much for 6 months? Any benefits are there? That is user information. Advices, standard changes, upgrade or decrease or increase the things, right? That is a service request. Incident. So again, event, alert, incident, event, alert, incident. That's the sequence. Event, alert, incident. What is the incident? Unplanned interruption to the IT service is called a incident. Guys, can you able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, unplanned interruption to the IT service. What is unplanned interruption? Server down. You didn't expect, you didn't plan it for a server down. Suddenly it is down. Okay, router is down. Router is down. Server is down. RAM is down. RAM is not working properly. Power down, power cut. Morning you woke up and morning is 10 o'clock class. You have to get ready. Power down, power cut. Internet is cut. Grazer is not working. No hot water. Okay. Something is failure, like someone came. Unplanned interruption. Morning you want to go to college or office. Yeah, very hurry. So morning, Monday morning, and you are about to reach the office. Bike puncture. Unplanned interruption. Okay. Monday morning, you open the gate and you are taking bike outside, and you see bike is puncture. No petrol. No petrol. Okay. Petrol gone suddenly. Unplanned interruption. It means it's a failure. It's a failure. Server down, service down, transaction failure. Okay. So all these things are failures. Incident. When incident is occur, it means there is a customer or a user. For example, I'm here. I open my Outlook for sending a mail. Outlook is not working. What I have to do? Approach the customer service or a service desk. My Outlook is not working. So that is incident. That is incident. I got a problem. I've given a complaint. So service desk people think it is an incident. It is incident is occur. So immediately, so they take an action according to it. I will explain that one anyway in a service desk mode. Workaround. What is a workaround? Top temporary way to overcome the issue. Incident is occur, guys. So bike is puncture. In a 5 minutes, you are able to reach the office. What you will do? You see in nearby any repair puncture repair candidate or the air filling stations. Go to air filling station, put air, go to office first, because if you are late, that is absent. Okay, that is not good. So daily you should not say bike puncture, right? So okay, so like that. Unplanned interruption. It means any issues occur, immediately fix the issue. Immediately fix the issue. Maybe it is a permanent fixing or temporary fixing. Immediately you have to fix the issue. Why we need an immediate fixing issue? It won't impact to the more damage. It won't impact to the more damage. Okay, so that is very important, right? For example, there is something you put a electrical connection. Okay, something you put a connection to your plug point. There is a equipment damage, something smoke you smell. What you do? Immediately turn off. Immediately turn off. So remove the connection. We don't mind what has happened. So we try to prevent from the further damage because of this damage. Alright? Make sure continual service is important. Continual service important. Customer should get a continuous service. So we'll go and fix it immediately. RAM is damaged. We don't think anything. Go to the PC. Check what happened. RAM is damaged. Remove the RAM. Insert the RAM and keep running. So that is called a workaround. So it is a temporary way to overcome. It's not really a temporary way. It is immediately solve the problem. So then continue with your business. So that is a thing. Guys, there's two more things are important to add here, but it is not there. So I added here. So that is the problem. That is a problem. So here you can see that one problem. The unknown root cause of one or more incident. Okay, normally we said if there is any issue, we said problem, right? So now onwards, when you are working in organization and in your interview, you should not say any issue as a problem. Okay, a issue is occur. A issue is occur. That issue is incident only. There is no problems. First remember, okay, a issue is occur. That is incident. Issue is occur always. It is an incident only. A incident is occurred. A incident is occur, and you don't know what is the root cause of that one, or you don't know the root cause of multiple incidents. A server is down, network is down, something is happened, or a repetition of incident. repetition of a network failure today. After 2 days, again failure. After 3 days, again it is failure. So what happened? Repetition of same incident. You don't know why it is causing. Unknown root cause of one or more incident is called a problem. So that is incident and problem. Workaround, a temporary way of overcoming issues. Already I told incident are a problem, so immediate solution is required. So that is a last one is request for a change or a change. All modification to the IT infrastructure, or it is related to something missing, or it is related to documentation managed by change management process. Okay, so it is given some statement, but is actually change. Change means it is depends upon so many things we need to change. Change means update. Change means upgrade. Change means update. Change means upgrade. Change means replace. Change means replace. Change means change entire thing. Change entire structure. You can change it. Okay, so that is called a change. Emergency change and normal change. Emergency change is there, normal change is there. For example, guys, you have a system, RAM failure or disk failure. What you do? We'll change the RAM, right? We'll change the RAM. We change the disk. Then problem solved. Very simple, right? That is called a change. One change. Okay. So RAM is failure. You change the RAM. Disk is failure. It is change the disk. That is change. Next. I'm using Windows 10. I'm using currently Windows 10. Maybe I will upgrade my system to Windows 11. Upgrade. That is also change. I'm using Windows 10 only. Some application is there. It is got updated. Mobile phone apps will get update, right? Mobile phone apps will have get update. That is updation. What is update? A simple change only. Version change. Update. Upgrade. Completely different. Replace. Replace. I have a 4 GB RAM. I remove 4 GB RAM. Put 8 GB RAM. Replace. I have a 4 GB RAM. I don't like it. I put a 8 GB. Now it is 8 GB RAM. Okay, so then like that. So replacement, update, upgrade, change, replace. Not enough. Not enough. Because change is very big one, guys. So already I told I have a 50 Mbps internet connection. I want to upgrade. I want to upgrade or update my speed to 100 Mbps. Then the internet guy told me, your router not enough. Your router is not enough supporting. You need a AC type of router. Means AC 1200 router. You can type in Google. You'll find it. D-Link routers are there. Terabyte something is there. One more router is there like that. So you can find any Tenda. Okay, lot of router models are there, companies are there, but AC 750, AC 1200, this is AC. AC means normally we have a 300 megahertz, that kind of N300 type of routers we are using. Okay, low frequency, it's a small one. So when you are using high frequency kind of stuff, is like you want a 5 gigahertz, 2.5 gigahertz, or a 2.4 gigahertz, or a 5 gigahertz kind of frequencies, like a more 30 Mbps, 50 Mbps. Small is okay, but when you are going up, like a 70 Mbps, 80 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 150 Mbps, so compulsory you must require more different type of routers. So compulsory you must fix that kind of router only. So that is AC router. So what happen if I want to upgrade my internet speed? I have to change my router. So both changes, one change lead to another changes also there. Okay. Sometimes for improve the performance, I add extra RAM. That is also change. I said no, update, upgrade, kind of stuff. Okay, guys, these are the very important statements. I didn't put it things. Modification to infrastructure. And I said like a update. Upgrade. Update, upgrade, replace, replace. These are all changes only based on the user request, update, one update like that. Okay, compulsory guys, when you are doing a changes, you have to take a permission. Of course, I will go to the explanation of each and everything with an examples again, but these statements are very important, guys. What is event? Any detectable occurrence. What is alert? A warning that threshold has been reached, something has changed, or a failure has occurred. So alert will generate it like a notification, bell notification will come up now. So like like that. Okay. So request for a user for information, advice, or change, or standard change for access to IT services. For example, I want a printer access. I want a printer access. I want a VPN access. I want a internet access. I want a login access, login request. I want a storage request. That is a service request. Okay. Incident, unplanned interruption. Incident, unplanned interruption. But it's all of the sudden it is down. Workaround. So workaround means temporary we overcome the issues. Like you got some issue, it is called incident. So you have immediately have to go and fix the issue. So that is called a temporary way to overcome the issues. Problem, unknown root cause of one or more incident. Unknown root cause of one or more incident means if any issues occur, it is nothing but incident only. And you should find a solution for an incident, but you have to fix the incident immediately. If you have to fix the incident immediately, that is called workaround. But sometimes it won't happen. Sometimes you need to investigate why this incident is occur. So what is the root cause of this problem? Is any required to change? Then you have to contact change management. Okay. Or this incident, like you fixed it once, again it is coming. You fixed it once, again it is coming. That is called a problem. So request for a change, last time in a certain interviews, they ask a question, what is the difference between incident and problem? Explain with the example. So one day in a one, while it is interview is going on, so I told to one person, my personal problem with as an example. Okay, personal problems are best examples always. So what is that problem, incident and problem? So I have some pipe leakage is there in my room in when I was in a different room place. So that is a pipe leakage is there. So that is I said an incident. Pipe is leaking. Incident. Overcome. Work around. What to do? Pipe is leaking. Put a M seal. Pipe is leaking. What you do? You put a something like a M seal kind of stuff. You put it. Now problem is solved. After 3-4 days, again it is leaking. Again it is leaking. Okay. Again, you remove the old M seal, or maybe you put a some other extra adhesive kind of M seal on it. Problem is solved. So issue is resolved. But after 4-5 days, again it is leaking. Again it is leaking. Now I should consider the incident as a problem. First I have to take that incident as a problem. No, it's no longer incident. It is a problem. I have to find a solution, complete solution, not a temporary overcome. Find a solution. So call the plumber, ask him to remove the total pipe, replace the pipe if you require, replace the pipe if it is required. Okay, replace with a new pipe if it is required, and fix it again and make sure it is working. Now you won't get a incident again and again. You won't get a leakage again and again. So problem is solved by replacing the pipe. So this problem solving also link it to change. What I done, I changed the pipe. So change is also involved. This is a very easy and understanding a story. Okay. So like that, we can able to explain. Bike puncture incident is occur. So you taken a repairing shop. The guy open your tube. For example, nowadays we have a tube less tires, but I'm going to old days like a tube like a cycle tube. Okay, tire, bike tubes are there. Tire and tubes. The guy will open. So check where is the puncture is occur and put some sticker on it. Also something like a sticker on it and put a air back and verify no leakage. Then he will fix it. Problem solved. Means issue is resolved. Okay. After a few days, again you got a same puncture issue. Same tire, same puncture kind of stuff. The guy again try to solve the problem. Problem solved. Same thing, same solution or a different solution. Problem is solved. Now, still again after 2 weeks you got a problem. So guy will our repairing guy will consider that incident as a problem. So what is the problem? So you try to understand why your tire is keep punctures. So what happening? So if one time is okay, after 1 or 2 months again it is happened, it is okay. But why you are getting every week or every day or every 3 4 days? Why you are getting? So you'll open, you'll investigate. Okay, is any tube is get a weak or a tire is weak or something is there inside. So find out the root cause of incident. Finding out root cause of incident is a problem. First, find out the root cause because problem means solve the incident. Okay, so what are the issue is they solve permanently. No, you don't get a problem again. Solve permanently solution. Okay, so first find out what is the root cause. Next, if required anything to change it. Okay, and then fix it. Once it is fixed, you won't get a same problem again and again and again. Same problem or any other dependent problems also you should not get it. So that is called a problem. Problem means issues occur, any issues occur in IT, we consider that one as an incident only. If incident is repeated or an unknown root cause of that incident, we consider that incident as a problem. So incident as a problem. So once you consider as a problem, investigate the problem and find the permanent solution and fix it permanently. So that is okay. So that is a problem. Okay, guys, understand or you want any thing like any one or multiple ones? You can tell me. So I will explain. I will try to explain once again if you want. Anything, guys? No problem. You want a break also? Ask me, no problem. So these are the one more I will paste and just explanation only. Not big deal. There's a lot of things to explain also there. Okay, so already I told guys about ITIL service monitoring kind of stuff. You can go to this my playlist. Go to my playlist. There you can find a service desk. You can go to service desk or world videos. You don't play anything. Just you can go to certain things like yeah, this is one more is there. SLA, OLA, UC. This is also very important one. Okay. Next, ticketing tools, monitoring tools. Here I explained. Okay, compulsory. What is ticketing tools? What are monitoring tools? Explanation of incident column. These things also there. Okay. So it purely depends upon the time, guys. It is like you can see here also I explained what is the monitoring tools, what are the ticketing tools. The easily question wise also I explained. Okay, for a HCL or anything. Okay, I will explain now also, so don't worry. This is a definition of service desk. Service desk simply understand point of contact, single point of contact to meet a communication needs of both users and IT employees, but also satisfy both customer and IT provider object. So here is in a service operations, the first thing is service desk. What is a service desk? In an organization, if you take any organization, so this is my organization. Actually, my story is a little different. I will tell, but here it is. This is the service desk. I have a infrastructure or anything like a user, my organization. Okay, got a some problem. He is unable to send a mail. What he will do? He will approach the service desk. He will approach the service desk. And this service desk understand user situation. Understand what is user situation. Asking is a question. What is your problem? Okay. What is your problem means it's a different one. Okay. So what is the issue? Did you try with the correct password or not? Email ID is correct or not? User identification is correct or not? Like that. So you will ask what application internet is working or not. Check these things. Like a initial support service desk people will give. It depends upon the level of service desk, guys. Okay. Next one is he create a ticket. He will create a ticket. Okay. Then this ticket will forward to a team. The ticket will be forward to a team. The team, different type of teams are there. So you will send a particular team who can able to solve the problem. Like it is a network related issue or server related issue or mail server related issues. Like a server engineers are there now, so they will send to them only. Okay. So this team will check the ticket and try to connect it remotely and try to solve the problem, or send a guy to solve the problem. Okay. Now problem is solved. Once the problem is solved, so then they report this information into service desk. Problem is solved, close the ticket. So problem is solved, close the ticket. So service desk is a single point of contact between user and IT employees. User and IT employees. So that is service desk, definition of service desk. Guys, in a service desk, there are levels are there, level 0, level 1, level 2 is also there. Technical management means technical aspect, expertise and support for IT, support for the management of IT infrastructure. Technical management plays an important role in the technical aspects of designing, testing, operation, improving IT services, as well as the developing skills required to operate the IT infrastructure required. So whatsoever it is, technical management comes under, okay. So technical people, like a service desk people, technical service desk people, level 2 service desk people, or a tech support people. Okay. It means they know how to solve the problem or how to create a new things, how to design things. Okay. Like this, they are working in the environment. So if issues occur, so why issues occur and solve the problem. So that is technical management, like a server engineers, network engineers, okay, system administrators, desktop support engineers, like that. These are all technical management only. Application management. Application management is all related to the application only. Like what is your plan, what is your design, what is this thing. So everything we put it in a one single application. So throughout your life cycles, we can this application thing is there. Okay, so what is the process? Like you can say Zira. Zira is one best example for application management. So what is a Zira desktop? Jira desktop is very simple. When a project is started, okay, and how it is going on. So how many things are completed, how many are pending, and what is the issue in this particular module. So then everything is export to everyone, right? So that is so application management. So from the taking customer requirement, like a startup project, create a project, take the customer requirement, put it in a pipeline. Okay, so any issues occur, so find it and solve it in the thing. So it is very quite easy to understand example with a Xera only. Facilities management. Facility management is very simply say a facilitator. Like in office, we have a cooling systems, building access, swiping cards. Okay, swiping cards also there, right? Security, CC cameras. So entire things will be managed by facility management team only. Okay, physical building access means like entrance of the building, entrance of the door, pantry access, CC cameras, AC cooling systems. Okay, so swiping or a thumb impression access. Okay, particular area or a particular room access kind of stuff also will be completely controlled by facility management people only. IT operation management, IT operations, technical management, these are all, again, this function is responsible for a daily operational activities, need to manage the IT infrastructure, provide a centralized monitoring and activities. This is very important point again. What is the IT operations? IT operations is a integral part or a separate part of service desk. Integral part or a separate part of service desk. Sometimes it is includes in service desk, sometimes it is separated. Okay. First one is monitoring the infrastructure. So make sure that all infrastructure, all the components are working. Like if something is happen, immediately alert system will come in the monitor, immediately raise the ticket. Yes, there is a problem. So immediately send the team to solve the problem. So that is centralized monitoring system is there. Okay. And if anything is problem, right, a bypass or like anything. So the service operations knows exactly what happened or what is going to be happen is a possible, and guess what is going to be happen. We have to take the actions as per the requirement. So that is service operations. Continuous monitoring and managing IT infrastructures. Monitoring, managing IT infrastructures. So make sure all servers are working, the load and the data centers are regularly load or more load, less load. What is it? Also, we have to check it. Monitoring means the word is comes under like everything. Network connectivity, network speed and the things, okay? Processor, RAM, disk management, everything comes under that one only, okay? So your system is very busy. So morning itself, 9 o'clock, your server is like people are logging, but server is very busy, very high at a 9 to 9:30. It's very busy. So what happened? Better to increase the server capacity or add another server to balance the load also. So this is like you have to plan according to it. Okay. So site IT operations also very important. Search in Google also if you want it. Any other things? Yes. Last one is this one. Okay. Event management, incident management, request fulfillment, access management, problem. So what are we discussed earlier? So that is this kind of stuff. Of course, again, I'm going in event, alert, service request, incident, problem, and workaround, change. Access management is simply say giving access, email creation kind of stuff only. So that is also just read it from the PPT. I will send two PPTs. Okay, so two PPTs, three things, guys. This I will send introduction, service operations. These two I will send. Okay, these two I will send. I will send these two pictures. Go through the pictures also. Next one is I will send these pictures also. This picture and this picture I will send. Okay. Next, I will explain what is what in the service. These statements only. So few details, small details. Example once again. Okay. Take a break. Take a break for a 10-15 minutes. Okay. So maximum. This is the main important word. That's why instead of taking more time, I will complete it. Okay. $5.15. Guys, are you able to understanding, right?